Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Boris Owens, and this is Abundance Flowing. And this is my first webinar PowerPoint. It's called Forex for Beginners. Like I was saying before, my name is the Boris Owens. I've been studying Forex for over 4 years. But this year, 2018, was my breakthrough year. I started trading live, and man, I've been making some good investments. Couple losses, but some major wins. Okay, you can't win them all in trading. Okay, you got to take some L's to make some wins. Okay, all right, moving right along. All right, what is Forex? It's known as a foreign exchange. People, look, $5.3 trillion a day is being traded through this system, which is Forex. All right, and it got all currencies. Is your euro, your British pound, your Japanese yen, and of course the US dollar, pesos as well. Gold, cryptocurrency, oil. Man, it's very lucrative, y'all. You can, if you think the value will rise, you buy. Okay. If you think the value will fall, you sell. Okay. So you buy low, you sell high. That's the objective. All right, a little history of Forex, man. Forex go all the way back to biblical time from, commissions and charge. They in charge to change money for people or exchange, as you're going through the hands of people, study a system, okay? And then, just now in the 1990s, people, Forex has been given to the masses. Usually it was just the big stock market and the millionaires able to trade in this system, in this market. But now in the 1990s, they made it lucrative for everyone. Anybody can get in this Forex and trade. Forex is not easy, it's not hard, but it's simple. Alright, this is what happened in 60 seconds, y'all, in the Forex market. In 60 seconds. This right here is my most one. The USD and the Japanese yen. I love these right here, this pair, because it's very lucrative. It can be one-sided if you do your trending and your technical analysis right. But this is, y'all, what can happen in 60 seconds. Just take a quick look at this, man. We got the euro, 1.1 billion. USD, 3 billion. US and the Japanese or the British pound right here, 326 million. We come over here to the USD and the euro, 812 million. All right, foreign exchange swaps, 1.65 billion, you guys. Okay, this is in 60 seconds. Not a year, not 5 years, but a minute. Very lucrative. All right, a current pair. A current pair, this is what you'll be trading. Okay, this is what you'll be up against when you're trading. All right, you'll see this sign up here. You sell and buy. So your euro and your USD. All right. So on the left, you'll be selling the euro and buying the US dollar. All right. Or over here, you'll be buying the euro and selling the US dollar, depending on your chart, depending on your trend. You have to know what kind of trend you're going to be in when you're doing this. Lot sizes, people. Lot sizes is your pips. This is what you count when you're doing your trading, okay? So right here, the volume will be where you place your lot sizes, not the units. This is just giving you a concept of how many units you have to trade. Right here is your pips, or how much money you'll be getting per pip. But over here is your volume. That's how you're entering your lot sizes. All right, you got the nano lot. This is a penny. Micro lot is 10 cents. The mini lot $1. The standard lot is $10. All right, and usually the standard lot is 2,000 up. Mini lot is 200 and up. The micro lot is $20 and up, and the penny anywhere from $5 and up. You just do your money leverage. You gotta have leverage. It's up to you how much you want to put in. A Forex chart. Now this is what we'll be looking at, people. This is how you be great in Forex. You have to master your charts. So right now, this chart we're looking at, is it a sell or a buy chart? Just by looking at it, the trend. You're right. It's a buy. We're looking to buy when we look at charts like this. They're simply looking at it without no technical analysis, no markups, no support, supply, demand, or resistant levels. We're looking at, this is a buy chart we're in right now. Okay? And with this chart, the chart, it come bullish candles and bearish candles. Alright? The bullish candles represents the buy market. It's a buy area. So when you see bullish come after the bearish, we know it's going to be a buy. So we want to jump in at a buy. Or if you get a bearish, which is going down, we know it's a what? Sale. Okay? Getting here, we know it's going to be a sale. Bearish are sale candles. Bullish or buy candles. Copy that? Bull. Bull is rushing up. It's a buy. Bearish, the bear is rolling downhill. It's a sale. Okay, so pips. What are pips? Pips are percentage and point. Okay, so you don't count your money, you count your pips. That's how we was told. All right, you don't count your money, you count your pips. And these are your pips over here. Over here on the right of the chart, these are the pips, or what we'll get into. Down here are the dates and time. Alright, and they say you trade the trend until it bends. Alright. And right here, this is the MACD chart. Moving average, conversion, diversion. And we'll get into that later on in some of my other videos. But as we can see, this has got a strong buy. Little push down on the sell. But it looked like it's finna retaliate and bounce right back up. That's what we're looking at right here. Alright, so pips, point and percentage. This is your points and percentage right here. Your pips. This is what we kept. We're looking for that 32 to come up to the 45. And then to the 75. And eventually the 1.16005. Alright, so that's what we'll be looking at right there. Points, percentage and points, pip. Alright. So y'all, this is if you like what you see, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on Forex. A private webinar is next for those that want to dive in deeper into the charts. I'll teach you how to set up your live account, how to understand the terms better. What we just went over with the bullish and the bearish, and I'll dive deep more into your trending lines, how to draw your trend lines, your support and resistance levels, supply and demand. And how can we recognize it being a buy or a sell market that we're in. All right, and hopefully when y'all guys get good enough, we'll start to see numbers like this. Okay, on trades, whether it be a day, a week, a month, or in a matter of seconds. All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this little PowerPoint presentation. My name is Boris Owens. Subscribe to Abundance is Flowing, and let's catch some pips. Y'all have a great day. Peace and love.